Hello everyone, welcome back to KK Creations Official. I hope you all are doing great. Today I'm making Methi Paratha. So let's get started. In a flour, add salt, rock salt, chaat masala, all spices powder, red chili powder, cumin powder. Take carom seeds in your hands, crush it, add in flour, put fenugreek leaves, knead the flour with required water, I forgot to add yogurt, so I will add now and knead it again. Sprinkle flour over the balls. Start rolling. Toast them on a hot tawa on medium-high flame. When you see tiny bubbles, flip the paratha. Toast it on both sides until lightly brown spots appear. Do not overcook, they turn hard. And it's ready to serve. I hope you liked the video. If you do, don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell icon, like, comment, share it with your friends and family members. Thanks for watching.